guys, this is what you're going to need. Now this is my adaptation to a recipe that I found online. I did make a couple changes, not many. I will link the original one down in the description box below. Definitely give that one a check. I do have a 3-pound chuck roast. Mine is frozen. I'm not cutting it into pieces and browning them. I have some garlic, some beef stock, diced green chilies. Diced green chilies. Instead of adobes and chipotle sauce, I have just this chipotle salsa. I had it. I'm going to use the whole can. We'll see. A 1/4 cup of lime juice, half of a chopped onion. It called for a 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. I have a lot less. We're not big cilantro people, but I know that the seasoning is needed in this particular recipe. You're going to need oregano, ground cumin, bay leaves. It also asks for ground cloves. I'm not putting that in. Black pepper and salt. So let's hop to it. I'm going to toss this in a crock pot, and we're going to have shredded beef tacos for supper. It's also called barbacoa beef tacos, but it's going to be delicious.
To feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick.
Okay, as I'm cleaning up, the cilantro and the lime juice you're saving until it's done. So I'm going to put those up for later.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah.